Did you know that some words in English can contain not one, not two, but 3 vowel sounds together? This combination of 3 vowels together is called a triphthong in English. Some people also pronounce this word as triphthong. Both are correct. In this lesson, you're going to learn what is a triphthong, what are the most common triphthongs in English, and most importantly, how to pronounce English triphthongs. If you'd like to practice what you've learnt in today's lesson, there is a free downloadable PDF for you, full of lesson notes and activities to help you improve your pronunciation and practice how to pronounce triphthongs in English. Just click the link down below in the description to download your free PDF lesson notes. Now we're going to talk about 5 triphthongs in English and how to pronounce them. What you will notice about triphthongs is that they are already existing diphthongs, which are 2 vowel sounds together, with a schwa sound added after. The schwa sound is pronounced as So if we take, for example, the diphthong I, and we add we get aya, aya. So let's look at this triphthong aya in more detail and practice it together. I'd like you to watch and listen very carefully and then repeat. Inquire, inquire, science, science, require, require, iron, iron, diet, diet. Now listen and repeat these sentences. I'd like to inquire about the job. I enjoy my science lessons. I require additional support. I need to iron my shirt. I'm on a diet. Now let's look at the triphthong hour. This is a combination of ow and hour, as in power, flower, hour, coward, tower. They have immense power. Add flour to the mixture. The show starts in an hour. He's a coward. There's a tower at the top of the hill. Now let's look at aya. This is a combination of a and aya, as in player, surveyor, betrayal, layer, conveyor. The team needed another player. The surveyor wrote a report. Her betrayal was a shock. The cake had a thick layer of chocolate. The factory uses a conveyor to move the products around. Now our 4th triphthong is ower. Ower, with O and Now this is typically received pronunciation, but what I'm going to show you is modern received pronunciation, and that's because more people tend to use the modern received pronunciation as opposed to the received pronunciation. It's only a little difference. Ower, ower. So the difference here, ower, ower. For example, in the word lower, narrower, widower, follower, slower. Listen and repeat. Can you lower the picture? This street is narrower than that one. He's a widower. I have a new follower on Instagram. My computer gets slower every year. And your final triphthong today is oya. This is a combination of oi and oya, as in lawyer, loyal, royal, joyous, employer. She's a lawyer. My dog is loyal. I'm going to visit the royal palace. It was a joyous celebration. My employer is looking to hire more staff, or more staff. And that's it for your lesson on triphthongs today. I hope you have enjoyed it and learned something new. Remember to download your free PDF of today's lesson notes. It includes extra activities to help you improve your English pronunciation and to help you remember what you've learned in this lesson. Remember to give this video a like if you have enjoyed it and subscribe if you haven't yet. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye bye. Oh, little kiss, nearly forgot. Bye bye.